Itinuturing na sentro ng kalusugan para mapabuti ang kalidad ng pamumuhay ng mga kababayan nating nasa mahihirap na komunidad ang mga local or rural healthcare centers. Kaya para mas mapaigting ang serbisyong hatid ng mga pasilidad na ito, pinaigting ng nangungunang foundation sa bansa ang kanilang misyon at mga programa sa health and wellness. Ako si Pinky Webb at ito ang all-new season of Business Matters, where doing good is good business. Halos pinaglumaan na ng panahon ang health center na ito sa Barangay Baluan, General Santos City. Nasa ilalim man ng matinding init o paghagupit ng bagyo, ay walang tigil pa rin sa pagseserbisyo, hindi lang sa mga residente, gayon din sa mga kalapit na barangay.
Ang Baluan Health Center, we have presently a population of 12,474, pero hindi lang ito ang kanyang binibigyan ng attention or serbisyo. We have two other clusters barangay. We have the Barangay Buayan and Ligaya in a total of 31,573 population.
Kabilang ang pamilya ni Daisha sa mga umaasa sa serbisyong medikal na hatid ng Baluan Health Center. Dahil halos sapat lang ang kita, hindi magawang makapagpatingin ni Daisha sa mga ospital sa General Santos City. Lalo pat may iniindang diabetes ang kanyang anak.
Hirap talaga, walay bana ba, walay asawa. May gabuhi sa mua, ako lang. Paggawas na mo ospital, butser di ko kasulti. Salamat gani ko sa mga center diya sa Baluan. Kaya kumakuha ng mga gamot.
Bagamat may limitasyon ang mga sakit na kayang bigyang lunas ng Barangay Baluan Health Center, malaki pa rin ang kanilang papel sa pagpapanatili ng kalusugan ng komunidad, lalo pat libre ang kanilang serbisyo at gamot.
Yung tatlo kong anak, dito pinanganak. May mga sakit ang mga bata, magpa-check up kami dito. Malaking tulong talaga sa amin ang HQ.
Pero para sa mga barangay health workers ng Baluan, malaking hamon pa rin ang makapaglingkod sa mga residente, dala na rin ang kanilang lumang pasilidad at kakulangan sa kagamitan.
Usually kung nag-immunization po, yung area ng mga naghihintay ng mga nanay na mga baby, maliit lang po yung area, and then madilim po yung lugar namin. May tumutulo na tubig sa may bandang itaas. Ng iba na irritable na rin sa init.
Isang geographically isolated and disadvantaged area o GIDA sa South Cotabato, halos parehong pagsubok ang kinakaharap ng Polomolok East Community Clinic sa bayan ng Polomolok. Luma rin ang pasilidad at may kakulangan sa kagamitan.
Yung Polomolok East Community Clinic, ang kino-cover nito 10 barangays. Ang population noon mga 56,000 or more.
Mga indigent o walang sapat na mapagkukunan ang mga pasyenteng sineserbisyohan ng Polomolok East Community Clinic. Gaya ng mag-asawang sina Robert at Bernadette, kapwa basurero na walang pinansyal na kakayahang magpagamot sa mga pribadong klinik at ospital sa syudad.
May hypertension ako. Kaya gani, nagapulot kami ng basura na hindi mainit. Kaya pareho kami high blood eh.
Dala ng katandaan, araw-araw pagbabad sa init at sub-sub sa pagbabasura, madalas magkaroon ng sakit ang mag-asawa.
Ngayon, magpakukonsulta ako sa ubo ko, nga nakuha ko sa pamamasura namin. At dito ako maghingi ng gamot.
Matanda-tanda na. Ang tiil ko, ng arthritis. Kaya ako naghinto na lang ako sa trabaho. Alalay lang ako sa misis ko ng basura para makakain lang kami ng wasto sa isang araw katatlo. Okay na.
Malaking tulong po ang gamot na nakuha namin dito kasi pag magbili kami, wala na kami ibili ng bigas. Kaya nagpasalamat din kami na may center dito na makuha namin ng gamot.
Layunin ng mga health workers na tiyaking maaalagaan ang kalusugan at kaligtasan ng bawat miyembro ng ating lipunan. Na kahit pa may mga kakulangan, ay patuloy pa rin sila sa kanilang misyon para lang mapagsilbihan ang taong bayan.
Kailangan nating i-renovate yung center kasi kailangan naming cope up with the needs ng universal healthcare na naging program na ng ating government. Kailangan natin ibigay yung karapat-dapat na serbisyo sa mga kliyente natin, lalo na sa mga indigent na mga pasyente.
At para mas mapalakas at mapaunlad pa ang hatid na serbisyong medikal ng mga rural health centers, isang programa ang itinatag ng isang foundation na layong magbigay pag-asa, hindi lamang sa mga medical workers, kundi pati na rin sa mga Pilipinong higit na nangangailangan nito.
Para sa amin, ang mga health centers na ito ay higit pa sa mga pasilidad lamang. Ang mga centers na ito ay lifeline ng mga individual na nagpapabuti ng kalidad ng buhay sa pamamagitan ng kabuuang kagalingan at kalusugan ng komunidad.
Karapatan ng bawat Pilipino, lalong-lalo na ng mga patuloy lumalaban sa mga pagsubok ng buhay na magkaroon ng hindi lang sapat kundi disente at maayos na serbisyong pangkalusugan. Lalo pat ang ating kalusugan at ang ating mga sarili ang pangunahin nating maaasahan sa pag-ahon sa buhay. Kaya't upang bigyan ng pag-asa ang mga Pilipino sa tulong ng serbisyong pangkalusugan, pinaigting ng nangungunang foundation sa bansa ang kanilang misyon at mga programa sa health and wellness.
Healthcare is not just a service, but a fundamental right essential for the resilience of every community. Sa paglipas ng mga taon, nanatiling nakatuon ang SM Foundation sa pagbabago ng mga buhay at paglikha ng mga proyekto na may pangmatagalang epekto para sa ating bansa at sa ating mga mamamayan.
Matapos ang masusing paghahanda at pagsasaayos, nabigyan ng panibagong muka, buhay at pag-asa ang Balwan Health Center.
Salamat kami sa SM Foundation na buo itong center na maayos ng lahat, na bago na. Masaya kami kaya naayos na ito. Kasi dito kami makukuha ng lakas.
With this renovation, with the different services na maibibigay natin dito, it caters the whole community. It provides the wellness and the well-being of every individual na mapaganda po. It can be compared to other mga private clinics. And the services as well can also be given na ganon kaganda.
Malaking tulong po kasi libre lahat, libre gamot, libre po check-up.
Speechless po ako sa pagkakita ko na yung luma at saka ngayon, no, talagang naiba siya. No? Napakagandang pasilidad. Mantakin mo, galing sa furniture, papunta sa mga equipment. No? Napakalaking bagay po ito na makatulong sa ating mga kababayan.
Sa tulong ng proyekto, nagkaroon rin ng tila bagong simula ang komunidad ng Polomolo.
Malaking tulong po ito kasi yung mga facility nag-improve, tsaka yung mga waiting area, multifunctional na po. Meron na tayong multifunctional na counseling area for mentally ill patients. Hindi lang na-improve yung quality of services na meron kami. Enticing po siya sa mga pasyente natin na pumunta dito. Sana hindi po ito ang huling barangay na bibigyan nyo ng ganito kasi laking tulong po ito sa magiging recipient nyo.
This facility will offer medical consultation, dental consultation, and we have also laboratory examinations, and we have TB treatment, animal bite treatment.
At ang pagbabagong ito ay hindi maisa sa katuparan kung walang kolaborasyon at pagtutulungan sa pagitan ng dalawang organisasyong may iisang layunin.
Maraming salamat SM Foundation for spreading social good. Our partnership with SM Foundation is a result of Luzon and Mindanao CSO collaboration. We aim to contribute in achieving good health and well-being para sa isang matatag, maginhawa at panatag na buhay.
Bukod sa pagsasaayos at pagpapaganda ng mga pasilidad, sinigurado ng SM Foundation na mas mailalapit at magiging mas madali para sa komunidad ang pag-access sa mga serbisyong medikal sa tulong ng mga sustainable at makabagong teknolohiya.
Ang SM DigiConsulta ay makakapagdaos ng virtual consultation kahit nasaan ang mga pasyente. Makakapag-screen ng mga pasyente virtually para sa mga posibleng nakakahawang sakit.
Ano man ang ating pinagmulan at kalagayan, lahat tayo ay may karapatan na magkaroon ng akses sa dekalidad na pangangalagang pangkalusugan. Lalo pat ang mabuting kalusugan ay hindi lamang nagbibigay sa atin ng lakas sa pang-araw-araw. Ito rin ang ating puhunan para sa isang magandang bukas.
Kami as JEDA areas, malaking tulong ito sa amin. 9 barangays po, yung east and mostly IP community po siya. So malaking tulong ito when it comes to health care. No? Kami po'y taos-pusong nagpapasalamat. Mabuhay po kayo, SM Foundation.
It's really indeed a good public-private partnership with the support of the SM Foundation. It broadened the horizon for the improvement of the health service delivery throughout the country.
Parami na ng parami ang mga Pilipinong naghahanap at gumagamit ng mga sustainable products. Maging sa health, wellness, and beauty ay dapat eco-friendly na rin. Kaya naman binuksan ng retailer store na ito ang kanilang kauna-unahang Greener Store. Hindi madali para sa mga Pilipino ang magkaroon ng tinatawag na sustainable living dahil na rin sa limitadong bilang ng mga produkto sa merkado na maaaring pagpilian para sa ganitong klaseng pamumuhay.
I love to travel since I'm in the tourism industry. You have to do a lot of research before you go to some place. The lack of accessibility to sustainable items, something that we need to work on. I'm teaching tourism, and right now I have my own business in the pet industry. I also do modeling on the side. Since I am juggling a lot of things, that's why it's hard to look for an item because you have to do your research first because it's not that normal here yet in the Philippines. So.
Ayon sa The Plastic Polluters Study noong 2023, Pilipinas ang pangunahing contributor ng polusyon sa karagatan dahil sa mahigit 350,000 toneladang plastic na nagmumula sa atin taon-taon. Ang Extended Producer Responsibility o EPR ay isinabatas para isalin ang responsibilidad ng plastic waste management mula sa mga komunidad papunta sa producer. Unti-unti na ring dumarami ang mga kumpanyang nagtataguyod ng kani-kanilang hakbang para hikayatin ang mas nakararami na magkaroon ng sustainableng pamumuhay.
It's Watsons, no? It's very important for us to really reach out to our customers and shoppers. So by launching the first ever Greener Store, this is our way of bringing sustainability closer to them.
It's a beautiful day to look good, do good, and feel great!
Piling-pili at certified eco-friendly ang mga itinitinda rito sa kabubukas pa lamang na Greener Store sa Pasita, Laguna ng isa sa mga nangungunang health, wellness, and beauty retailers sa bansa. Dahil sa advokasya nilang mag-angkat lamang ng mga produktong may better ingredients at better packaging.
There are 4 pillars of sustainable choices. So clean beauty are products that are free from 20 harmful ingredients that we've identified. The second would be the refills. It can either be you come in with your old bottle and refills with the pump products that we have in store, or you can buy refill packs. And then we also have better ingredients. So these are made from sustainably sourced ingredients. And lastly would be better packaging, which means the materials used for the packaging, the plastic are already recycled plastic, less virgin plastic, or made from FSC paper.
Bukod sa Bring Your Own Bag initiative at paglalagay ng iba't ibang mga posters, mayroon din silang recyclable rewards program para mas lalong maengganyo ang kanilang mga mamimili.
When customers come in with the intention to recycle, they are rewarded with special offers, deals, discounts from Watsons and some of our partner brands and suppliers. We want customers to come into the store and really feel like they have a choice. That's why we're calling it Sustainable Choices.
Bahagi rin daw kasi ito ng kanilang kampanya tungkol sa Sustainability 2030 goals sa pamamagitan ng pagbabawas ng environmental impact.
The electricity being consumed by the store is already partially powered by solar panels. All of the lights used are already LED lights, and then also the ACs and chillers being used are already inverter technology as well. But apart from that, the stickers that we used on the walls, the printed collaterals that we've been displaying are all made from materials that do not have plastic components anymore.
Kasabay na rito ang ilan pang social development initiatives gaya ng Alagang Pangkalusugang Medical Missions, Operation Smile Philippines Project at Pharmacy Assistant Apprenticeship Program.
Beyond products, we also have other 2 pillars of sustainability, which are planet and people. And under people would be our Alagang Pangkalusugan Medical Missions. So for this year, 2024, we've already had 3, and we're planning to do 5 more. Operation Smile Philippines has been a partner of Watsons Philippines when it comes to giving children who were born with lip and cleft palate conditions. No? We also do have a pharmacy apprenticeship program in partnership with Punlaan School, and this is our advocacy to help underprivileged youth who do not have the means to pay for their own education.
It would really help a lot if all these companies, big corporations would take their part and us as an individual would take our part. I think the world would be much better for the next generations.
Dahil sa bawat maliit na hakbang, malaki ang maaari nitong ambag sa paglikha natin ng mas maayos at mas maliwanag na kinabukasan.
Watsons commits to always be on the forefront of sustainability as a leading retailer in the Philippines. Not only will they look good through our products, but they will also do good through the efforts that are given to them. And then eventually we want them to feel great as well.
Networking is about the people that you build relationships with. Why it's important to go to networking events. And part of this involves 2 themes. The first is mindset. Now, the second is skill set. You have to start with the right mindset in order to apply the skill set effectively. So this begins with something called EQ, or emotional quotient. EQ is how you interact effectively with other people.
BNI Philippines, it's Business Network International. It's the largest referral organization in the world. Currently, we have 43 chapters, and during our 10th year anniversary, we will be opening new regions, 11 new regions and areas across the Philippines. And ang target namin this year is to open 30 new chapters, and currently we have over 1,500 members. So I committed myself to bring BNI in the Philippines because I know that BNI can help entrepreneurs grow their respective businesses.
We're changing the way the world does business. We're impacting communities throughout the world through this referral process. Our goal is to be in every entrepreneurial nation in the world and to have 10,000 members here in the Philippines. Universities, we don't teach people how to network, how to generate referrals, and that's what we do in BNI. We teach them and we provide the platform for them to do it.
In the next 10 years, BNI Philippines will have a minimum of 10,000 members, generating 60 billion closed business every year and impacting 300,000 families. Let's revolutionize the way the world does business.
Thinkers guests, welcome to Sharp Singap 2024 ASEAN Regional Event, Simply Better Lifestyle.
This is the regional ASEAN event to introduce our new products. This is very good opportunity to introduce Sharp high advanced product to ASEAN market. Sharp is popular as consumer electronics, but not only consumer electronics, we also introduce the office solution and also mobile phone, or like e-scooter. I have confidence that Sharp has most wide range and we are like a one-stop solution.
We have introduced the new air purifier so-called PureFit series. So this is one of the new concept products in our lineup. Nowadays, many people is looking at the air purifier, but we have a lot of similar products in the market. Our PureFit series have a completely different outlook from our competitors, and our target is to make the air purifier part of people's lifestyle, fit with interior design and furniture. This is one of the unique technology that Sharp has been studying for over 24 years, and this has a unique purification power, like viruses or mold or that kind of substances.
ASEAN region will all work together, unite together, and we work hard to communicate with business units to introduce the most advanced product to Philippine market. So please expect to Sharp.
AutoHub is a synergy of dealerships, distributorships, and service companies. We consider ourselves as one of the leading automotive groups here in the Philippines, and also we are a one-stop shop. AutoHub Group offers a wide range and variety of additional packages and things to choose from as well. Within those 25 years of AutoHub Group, we were able to add all other kinds of brands from the top to the mass brands. Mini, Lotus, Triumph Motorcycles, Vespa, scooters, Suzuki, and Mitsubishi. We also include car services like window films. We also have partnerships with AAP, Shell, and we also have our exclusive partnership with XPPF, so that's paint protection film. We also have our own AIT. It's an AutoHub Institute of Technology, which caters for all our brands. So that's one part of our CSR, help our kababayans to really embody what a true technician is, and of course, the customer service that we really need to have. I would like to invite every one of you to please come and visit all our brands. Please like the page AutoHub Group so you can see all our brands there and all the locations as well. Hope to see you guys there soon.
Sa pagbuo ng matatag na komunidad sa pamamagitan ng mga CSR programs, hindi lamang isang pagkakawang gawa ng mga private companies, kundi ito ay ang puso ng kumpanya. Para masigurong maaabot nating lahat ang pinapangarap na maayos at magandang kinabukasan. Join us again next week para sa mga istorya ng inspirasyon na nakabuti sa nakararami, komunidad man o individual. Para sa inyong comments, suggestions at updates, do follow us on our social media account. Ako si Pinky Webb at ito ang Business Matters, where doing good is good business.